Hudson's experience with a walking stick.
What is it? He's gonna get you. Can he crawl on you?
Nope. I wouldn't like it either, Hudson.
Here it is. He's back there. Oh, it's okay. He's not gonna get you. Oh, he's on your head.
Oh my goodness.
I got him. I got him. Look. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Oh,
No.
Yeah, I'll get you.